All right, we're going to check the power steering fluid on our Boxster. Now we've got the roof in service position and we removed the carpet and storage box that's there, and we've just popped the engine screw bolts. So the engine compartment out of the way. That's what your engine looks like, in case you haven't seen it before. If you need to change your air filter, that lives in there. Okay, now your power steering fluid is, the cap is right there. Okay, we will unscrew the cap. Wipe the dipstick clean. Put it back in. Screw it down. Take it out. And check. And our level is right on the hot arrow. Perfect. Put the cap back on, engine cover on, and you're all good. When we did the engine detail, we noticed that around the power steering cap there was just fluid kind of leaked out. So when you open the power steering cap, you'll see, there it is, this green O-ring. It's rock hard, don't think it's sealing very well, so I just got a fresh one from Porsche. I'll put the part number in the description. Real easy to change, so we'll just change it out now and that'll seal it up. And we shouldn't have any more drips coming out of there. So to get that O-ring off, I think we're just going to use just a little flathead screwdriver if you have a pick, just to try to get in there without scraping and damaging the plastic. Take the cap off. A pick would be great for this, but I don't have one. Almost expect that to break, it's so old and brittle. There we go, yes, and that is rock hard, not very rubbery at all. Noticeably, the replacement seems to be quite a bit fatter, so that should seal a lot better. And we'll just get it in the little channel, pull it around. Done. Cap back on, very easy fix. Oh yeah, you can feel that just there's more resistance there from that new rubber O-ring.